Sophia, the little girl in our story, was lost in the jungle and very scared. Sophia decided to bravely find a way. She came across a clever rabbit in the jungle and asked for its help. The clever rabbit gave her hope. The clever rabbit, with the help of its friends in the jungle, showed Sophia the way home. After all the fear, anxiety, and tears, Sophia finally found her way home. Sophia found her way back, returned home, and lived happily with her parents, always smiling.
Hi everyone, my name is Iman and this is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to another AI tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
Take a look at YouTube channels that produce animated stories and check out their growth statistics. They earn a significant income this way. People love watching animated stories, and there's a lot of excitement and interest in such channels. On YouTube, high views equal good earnings. But the question is, how can you create such stories? Fortunately, creating them has become easier with AI, and it's no longer a difficult task. We can write the story using tools like ChatGPT, generate images with AI tools like Leonardo, create videos using Hailuo, Pixverse, Kling, or Hyper, and handle text-to-speech and voiceover with Elevenlabs. Editing can be done with tools like CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro. However, the main challenge is maintaining consistent character visuals. AI might generate different images each time, and if this happens, the visuals won't align with the story, leading to a loss of audience engagement. The first step in creating an animation is to write a suitable and engaging story. To help you with this, I've prepared a customizable template that includes everything you need to craft a story. You can find the template in the description of this video on my channel, Iman Global. Feel free to copy it, customize it to your liking, and then use tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude to generate a well-structured story. The guide consists of two parts. In the first, editable section, you must define all the story details and the main character. This ensures the story is shaped around your idea. The guide includes all necessary elements for creating an engaging story. For instance, if your story's main character is a playful boy, this guide allows you to define all his details from head to toe, his clothes, hairstyle, shoes, and even facial expressions. Why is this important? AI processes each prompt separately, so if the main character's details aren't fully repeated in every prompt, inconsistent and mismatched visuals may be generated. However, using this guide, your story's character will remain consistent and flawless across all images. In the second part of the guide, we asked ChatGPT to generate a story based on our inputs and structure. This includes prompts for image creation and text for the narrator's voiceover. I simply copy and paste these prompts into ChatGPT, and as you'll see, ChatGPT creates the entire story based on the requirements we've provided, image prompts as well as text for the narrator. At this stage, we have the story and image prompts, so we move on to the next step, creating the images. This step is done using Leonardo AI. Leonardo is a great choice because its free plan provides enough credits to generate images. Visit Leonardo's website, create an account, and log in. After logging in, I click on the image creation option from the left menu. In Leonardo's dashboard, you'll see a prompt box at the top of the page. Copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo's prompt box. On the left panel, under the drop-down menu for preset, select the Phoenix model, which is Leonardo's latest image generation model. Under the Prompt Enhance drop-down, choose Off to ensure Leonardo doesn't alter the prompt. For preset style, select Dynamic. Set the generation mode to Fast. For image dimensions, since I want this video to be a horizontal YouTube video, I choose the 16:9 ratio. If you're creating it for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, you can opt for vertical ratios like 9:16. By default, in the free plan, the number of images generated per step is set to 4. After configuring the settings, click Generate. Your request enters the queue, and within a short time, the images are generated. 4 thumbnails will be displayed. Click on a thumbnail to review the images. If you're not satisfied, you can tweak the settings and regenerate. I click Generate again, and after a few seconds, new images are generated. 4 thumbnails are displayed again, and I click on one to review the images. The download button is located beneath the image frames, and you can download any image you are satisfied with. Here's an important tip: before generating the next scene's image, you can do something else. click the three dots icon in the top right corner of the images and select Copy Seed. This command copies and retains the seed number. Using this seed ensures that the character's form is consistent across subsequent images. Afterward, go to the Advanced Settings section in the side panel and paste the seed number you copied into the Use Fixed Seed box. This will help maintain a consistent and unified character design, so keep these tips in mind while generating images. Repeat the previous process. Copy the prompt for the next scene's image from ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo AI's prompt box. That's it. Now, as you can see, the images have been generated, and you can check for character consistency. The characters are nearly identical, with different backgrounds for each scene and various expressions. Following this method ensures that the character remains unchanged. Using the same approach, copy the image prompts for the next scenes from ChatGPT and generate the subsequent images. That's all. You can create images with Leonardo AI for free. Each day, you receive 150 free tokens, which reset the next day. If this is insufficient, you can opt for the paid plans, which are reasonably priced. Step 3. The story text needs to be narrated by a voiceover. At this stage, you can record the story text using a microphone, even your own voice. But if you're not confident about your voice, there's no need to worry. I have another suggestion. Use AI-generated voices. Search for Elevenlabs AI on Google and visit their website. Elevenlabs AI offers a text-to-speech feature, allowing your text to be narrated by various voices. Creating an account on this website is free. You can sign up using an email address or through your Google account. I click Sign Up with Google, select one of my Google accounts, and log in. After logging in, you may be asked a few questions, but I skip this step. Then, I go to ChatGPT, copy all the voiceover sections, and paste them into the text-to-speech section on the Elevenlabs website. From the right side panel, you can change the narrator's voice from the drop-down list under Voice. Listen to the different options and choose the one you prefer. Once selected, click Generate Speech to complete the task. The download button next to Generate Speech allows you to save the audio file. The work must go on. In the fourth step, we use an AI called Pixverse to transform the images generated by Leonardo AI into videos and animations. First, visit the Pixverse AI website and click the Try Pixverse button in the top right corner. This brings up the registration and login page. You can sign up using Apple, Discord, or Google accounts. Alternatively, you can use the Sign Up option to create an account with your email address. I log in using one of my Gmail accounts that's already open in my browser. Pixverse supports both text-to-video and image-to-video features. Tutorials for creating videos and animations using Pixverse are available on my channel, so don't forget to check them out. To generate the first video with Pixverse AI, click Create. At the bottom of the page, there's a text box for entering prompts. On the left side of the box, you'll see an image icon. Click it to upload the image you want to animate and turn into a video. Once uploaded, a thumbnail of the image appears in the text box. Click on it to view it in larger size. To bring the image to life, you just need a prompt. Don't worry, it's very straightforward. You decide the scene's action and which elements will move. I write a prompt in the text box to animate the image. After specifying my requirements, I click Create. The request enters the queue, and shortly thereafter, the image is animated and turned into a video. You can preview the results in a video frame. Pixverse image-to-video process is truly astonishing. Using the method I've shared, you can transform all the images generated with Leonardo into stunning, eye-catching animations. Step 5. Now that the story, voiceover, and animations are ready, the final step is to combine them into a complete video to create a long animated story. You can edit these materials with tools like CapCut or free options like Canva. Personally, I've been using Adobe Premiere Pro for many years and recommend learning it. In Adobe Premiere Pro, I create a new project. I name the project and set its saved location. Then I click Create to set up the new project. Right-click in the project panel and select Import to bring the animations into the panel. I repeat the same process to import the audio files. From the File menu, I create a new sequence. I set the sequence dimensions and give it a name. This method creates a timeline where we combine the materials. I drag and drop the video clips onto the timeline. When the clip mismatch warning window pops up, I select Keep Existing Settings. Next, I select all video layers, right-click on one of them, and choose Scale to Frame Size to match the video dimensions to the sequence. I arrange the short clips in the timeline to create a long video based on the story. Then I add the voiceover audio. To sync the video with the narration, I use the razor tool to split the audio track. This ensures the voiceover matches the correct scenes. Finally, I click Export, name the output file, and choose the save location. Under Format, I select H.264. In the Preset section, I set the output size and dimensions to Full HD. I then click Export. After a few minutes, the long video is ready. If you're interested in learning video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro, let me know in the comments. If there's enough demand, I'll create tutorials for it. Did you learn something new from this tutorial? If yes, go ahead and hit the like button and share this video with your friends. This is just the beginning. This channel is packed with unique and exciting tutorials waiting for you. To be the first to watch our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. AI is shaping the future, and you can be a part of this transformation. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. It's going to be epic.